Hi guys, it's Antri. So today's video is gonna be, as promised, the video I was gonna talk about the Kylie liquid lipsticks, Kylie Cosmetics, and comparing them and testing them with the best dupe I have found. And when you see the result, I'm not even gonna give spoilers, you gotta watch the video, but I got you, okay? So yeah, I already have a full face of makeup on, and the liquid lipstick I'm gonna be talking about by Kylie is this. This is the Mary Jo K liquid lipstick, and yeah, I know it's completely like blank and stuff. Actually, a friend of mine gave this to me because she hated it. She didn't like it, so she gave it to me. She has the lip liner because it's a lip kit. It came with a lip liner. She liked the lip liner, and yeah, she gave me the liquid lipstick. I tried it a bunch of times, and I have some thoughts. And yes, this is an original liquid lipstick. It's not a fake. This is by Kylie. My friend did buy this from her website, which was extremely expensive with the shipping, and she told me that it took some pretty long time to ship, so not to ship, to come to her. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you the sticker. I've used this before in videos. This is the sticker. I hope you can see, because you can tell from the sticker if it's an original or if it's a fake. If you can't, I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna insert them in the video so you can see that this is the real liquid lipstick. So the dupe that I will be suggesting to you and recommending for you to buy it is this, which again, I have done a mini video of this one on my Facebook page, which is Antri Makeup Artist. It's linked down below if you want to go like it, because you do have some exclusive stuff. I showed this and I've used this before in videos. I was gonna wait until I made this video and then use it in videos, but I love it so much. It's literally my favorite liquid lipstick, my favorite formula of liquid lipsticks, and I have tried a lot of them. Okay, this is the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit. Yeah, in the shade Echelon or Ehelon. I don't know, looks like that. This is the Mary Jo K by Kylie. I'm gonna swatch. That was a bad swatch. Wow. So yeah, there's that. Oh, this comes with a lip liner. This is hard, okay? Looking in the viewfinder and swatching, they look like that. And this is the lip liner, which I have clearly used a lot. I will also be doing like long wear test. Let me zoom you in because I forgot. Oh, I also have some dupes for this exact shade, the Mary Jo K. The Revolution one, that's the only shade that I have of their liquid lipsticks, which, don't worry, I'm gonna be buying more. They're amazing. And it does smell, it smells incredible. It is slightly patchy. Like, let me come closer. I don't know, let me zoom in. Can you see, like, it's still drying, yeah, but like around the outer corners. Can you see that? The outer corners, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. See, like it's darker here. I mean, clearly it's still drying, but yeah, okay. Okay, it's dry. But yeah, patchy. This is dark, here it's darker, here it's lighter. Okay, so some things that I do want to talk about before I do the long wear test. I'm doing this because I'm not gonna like eat and everything. I'm just gonna drink a little bit and see if it comes off. I mean, I know she says that you have to use her lip liner underneath and then use the liquid lipstick on top, but girl, why do I have to buy a lip liner and a liquid lipstick so that I can make the liquid lipstick work? That makes no sense. It should be good quality of itself and work, not be patchy like this. Also, it is extremely drying. That is why my friend gave it to me. She said it's because it's really drying and I can't stand it and I don't like it. I actually kind of like drying liquid lipsticks, the drying feeling of a lipstick on my lips, because I feel like it's gonna be more long wearing. Now obviously some people don't find it as comfortable, but this is the only liquid lipstick formula that I have tried, and it's so drying, even I don't like it. Imagine how drying it is. And my friend has fake Kylie liquid lipsticks also, and she likes the fake ones more than the real ones. Also the lighting. The writing is completely rubbed off. That's why it doesn't look like it's a Kylie one, but it is a Kylie one. Okay, so I'm just drinking a little bit. It's flaking off, which is what this liquid lipstick does and has done to me every single time I wore it. It's flaking off. Look, you see the flakes? These are some flakes from the liquid lipstick on my hanger. Like it just flakes off, and look at that. And I'm just eating it. I am tasting it, and it's only water. A little bit of water went on it. Yeah, let me do like a kiss test. My hands clean. Flakes. It's just bad. I've worn this before out. I had coffee before with this. I ate with this. I even tried putting some lip balm underneath before using it. That didn't work either. Actually, you know what? I do not want to waste my time on this liquid lipstick, but I will try to find something to eat. I'm gonna show you the results just so you believe me. Okay, so I am back and I'm eating. I'm eating some cake. So I'm back, and clearly the liquid lipstick is not, you know, holding up very much. That's how it looks. It's, you know, completely come off here, and okay, so I'm back. I just took off the Kylie liquid lipstick. Now I'm gonna put on the Echelon or Ehelon, whatever it's called, the Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick, and I'm not gonna be applying, and almost blinded myself there. I'm not gonna be applying the lip liner, just to be fair, because I don't have a lip liner with this one. So I'm gonna use this one without lip liner, just so you can see how beautiful it is. Okay, so I am back. Oh crap. I'm wearing my glasses because I am literally blinded by my freaking ring light, and now you can see the reflection. It's okay, you're gonna get over it. Okay, so I applied it. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see. I'm gonna try to like eat the rest of the pieces of the cake that are left, drink some more water, and do the same test, and I'm gonna be back with the results, even though I have worn both of these lipsticks for like a lot of times, and lasts for a long time. Anyway, I don't speak English. Okay, so I'm back, and I love this liquid lipstick. It's my favorite liquid lipstick, as I said a million times, but every time it just does not prove me wrong. So yeah, it did not move. Okay, so now as promised, I'm gonna show you some dupes for this Mary Jo K color that I have found. This is the be.yu Cashmere Lip Color Matte in the shade My Passion. Now it is kind of a different color than the Kylie one, but it's the closest color I could find. This is the be.yu and this is the Kylie, and I mean, look at the difference in patchiness. Just hello. This was €12 and I got this from Beauty Care. Okay, so if you're asking me, is Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lipsticks, is it worth it? Like, I mean, at least that's the only thing I have tried from her. I'm not planning on buying anything else because, I mean, damn expensive. She literally had a brush set that costed, I think, like $360. What? Are you crazy? And I watched a bunch of reviews on the brush case and on the brushes. They kind of sucked. So that really shows how much overpriced her shit is, and I'm not like coming for her, but like it's just so overpriced and it's so unrelatable to me. I just really like brands like Makeup Revolution, Freedom. I love brands like this because they're affordable and everyone can buy them. And why is her stuff so overpriced? Because it just says Kylie on it? I don't get it. That's just my opinion. And you can buy her stuff. Don't buy the fakes, please. Like, yeah, maybe the fakes sometimes are better than the original Kylie, but if you do want to buy something Kylie, just buy the Kylie or buy dupes. I'm really against fakes, so that's why if you want to buy a really overpriced makeup product, just save up some money and buy the actual original makeup product. I do have some fake eyeshadow palettes, but I bought them like years ago when I didn't know the dangers of fakes. Now I do. I just really wanted to make this video because I keep seeing people just raving about, you know, I'm not talking about YouTubers, I'm talking about, you know, my friends or my peers and people who maybe are not really into makeup and haven't been doing makeup so much, and they think that like Kylie invented liquid lipsticks, or Kylie's liquid lipsticks are the best because they're freaking Kylie's. You know what I mean? It's not like that. And also, they keep buying the fake ones from the Facebook pages. Don't trust fake Facebook pages to buy makeup. Like, it's all fake. The Dermacol, the Kylie ones, the whole collections of Kylie ones that they make, and they're so clearly fake that people think they're original, and they don't pay the original price, but they still pay a lot. So moral of the story of this video pretty much is I don't recommend Kylie liquid lipsticks, and don't trust Facebook pages. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the red button down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a like. Follow me on my social media. Everything is linked down below, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below in this video. Okay, bye!